So let's take a look at how you can get number of available nodes in Neo4J. So what we will do is we will open command prompt and then type in Neo4J and then console. Okay, this should start our server on localhost 7474. Okay, and in that we are going to browse to our query editor and we are going to run the query for returning the number of available nodes. Okay, now as you can see here, I have got server started on localhost 7474. So let's go to that port 7474. This should open Neo4J browser, and as you can see at the top I have this query editor. Now this is where I'm going to write the query. So I will start with keyword match n. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to return n. Okay, it's better if we use lowercase n in both cases. So match n, return n. Okay, so what it will do is we'll try to match all the possible nodes and then return nodes when we run this play button. Okay, and as you can see here I have nodes here, total 4 nodes here, as you can see, with one node as labeled as DevNami. Okay, so you get the idea how to return the available nodes in Neo4J using query.